Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paulina and I'm a makeup artist. I also do hair. So this is my quick, simple routine of hair if I ever do it. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this look with a 1-inch straightener, then keep on watching. If you guys like what you see, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, so I appreciate everything that you guys do, as well as subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more of me. If anyone is interested in this makeup look as well, I do have a tutorial on it so you guys can check it out. So the first thing you're going to need for this hairstyle, obviously, is a straightener. This is a Paul Mitchell straightener that I've had for probably like 7 or 8 years, and I love it. It's one of the best straighteners I've ever had. It actually holds my curls really well. It doesn't damage my hair as I feel other straighteners do, and it goes from 240 to 400. I just keep it on 400. So I'm gonna put it on. And if you guys use any straightener for yourselves, make sure it's not like super thick, as well as it's not bigger than 1 inch as well, because then it'll be like super big curls. I'm gonna start parting my hair. So I have little hair here, obviously. So we're not gonna go like super intense, and we're gonna focus more on the top of the hair. I'm just taking that out with a clip, waiting for my straightener to heat up. When it's ready, the light will start blinking. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to take bigger pieces here because it's not like there's much hair to curl in general, and I'm going to just take it, and it's mostly working on the ends. So we want to give a little something to the ends. So they're not super straight, but it's going to create some texture. And I'm going to keep rotating, so this one's going towards my face. And also a little bit of fluff and texture. And I'm pretty much doing this in like 4 sections. There's no right or wrong with how much hair I'm taking. Then I'm going to take the next layer. So the ones framing my face, I like to do away from the face. So I'm curling it away from my face towards my ear. Then I'm going to take the next one, it's going to go towards my face, so inwards. So usually the top part I like to do away from the face. So both of them are going to go in the same direction. And this one I'm going to do lightly towards the end. So, I know we look crazy at this point. You're going to want to start rubbing your fingers through. Start separating the pieces. And then what I like to do is go through the ends a bit. And I like to make it straighter at that part. So we still look a bit crazy. Now we have to just put it all together. So I'm going to be using a hairspray, and I'm using the Sebastian Shaper Fierce. Sorry, it is the Shaper Fierce. It's the finishing hairspray. It could be anything. I'm just using this one because it's running low. That's it. So I'm going to start hairspraying and creating more texture and kind of scrunching the hair. And you can separate it, and I always keep this one behind my ear personally. That's just how I like my hair. I think we're going to need to put this guy down. I have an itch. And now I'm just going to work on the bottom areas, because I do want this area kind of tamed. So this is the finished hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's my quick and easy 5-minute simple hairstyle. If I ever do my hair, this is exactly what I do. I love that it's fun. It has a bit of texture. It's on the messier side. It gives me more volume and life because my hair is naturally straight, and on pretty much everyday basis when I'm running out of time, I just wake up and go. But if I want a little bit something, this is what I actually do. And I know it's a little bit difficult with a curling iron. I have a video on that as well for those who have a little bit longer hair. So you can check that out as well. If you guys are interested in seeing this makeup look, there's a video on it too, so you guys can check it out. I'll put it down below. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I would love to hear your guys' comments, opinions, feedback, what you guys want to see in the future, so you guys can also let me know down in the comments below. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!